This is from the main sewer back. At 81 feet, we have a major separation right back from where the main sewer, we came out of the main sewer. A little bit of standing water at the bottom of the pipe, but not too bad. Now there's a dip in the pipe right there at 78 feet. A little belly. '76 feet, we have a small amount of tree roots. '75 feet, we have a pretty considerable amount of tree roots. Is partially blocking the sewer halfway. At 71 feet, we have the same issue. It's partially blocking the sewer on the opposite side. About 1/3 of the sewer is blocked. At 68 feet, you have pretty much a total blockage of roots. I would say it's 80% blocked. At 64 feet, you have 1/3 of the sewer blocked due to tree roots. We're submerged underwater at 61 feet. That could be a belly in the pipe, but we won't know for sure until we get this tree roots cleared. Standing water, bottom of the pipe at 55 feet. Smaller amount of tree roots, nothing major at this point. 53 feet, more tree roots coming from the top. 10% blockage. We have 60% blockage at 48 feet, 9 inches. "45 feet, we got about 10% blockage. Sewer's looking pretty good for the last 15 feet. Oh, 29 feet, we hit some more roots. At the bottom of the pipe, partial blockage, 20%. 26 feet, small blockage, tree roots. Totally submerged underwater at 17 feet. At 15 feet 9 inches, we have 90% blockage of the sewer due to tree roots. 13 feet, partial tree roots. Submerged underwater, 12 feet, 10 feet, 9 feet still underwater. We don't know if that's due to the big blockage of roots, but that has to be cleared before we could determine this problem. 5 feet still underwater, 4 feet coming out to clean out. That is the sewer examination.